Hey all, thanks a ton for liking and subscribing to my channel. Welcome to Prachiti Mind Skills. So what do you expect when you subscribe to my channel? On every Monday and Thursday, I'll be sharing some videos with you. Monday and Thursday videos will be a bit prolonged, like 10 to 15 minutes. In these videos, you can find worksheets for which I'll provide a link to you. You just have to print out these worksheets for you and you have to fill in them. Please friends, stay committed. Once you fill in these worksheets, you can create a file for yourself. And actually print out and writing is very important for you, for your self-mastery. Please friends, be consistent and patient and do put in efforts, because when you put in an effort each and every single day, that's where change will really occur, and that's where transformation will happen. So for the transformation, for your transformation and for my life purpose, please do print out these worksheets and fill in them. Also, apart from Mondays and Thursdays, I'll be answering to all of your questions, your queries, or if you have any problem regarding to fill in these forms. So apart from Mondays and Thursdays, I'll be answering all your questions, your queries, and whatever difficulties you are facing while being committed to your self-transformation process. Because friends, self-transformation is not that easy. You have to stick to it, you have to stay committed, and you have to keep on motivating yourself. I am also there to help you all. So apart from Mondays and Thursdays, on every Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday, I'll be posting some query related videos or videos for motivation, which will be short videos, of course 2 minutes or 3 minutes time. And on Sunday, we all will take a break. Not break for relaxing friends. Sunday will be a time where we will be utilizing the whole week again. We will recall all of the good things that we have done, all of the changes that have occurred, whether they are good changes or bad changes. You just have to write it down in the comment box below, whatever good changes you are facing, so that others get motivated. And if there are any bad changes, or not bad, but if there are some problems, because if you don't face problems, change will not occur. So whatever problems are there, whatever queries are there, you can just post it down on the comment box and I will try and answer all of them. So please friends, it was very nice connecting with you all. Yesterday I had a huge lot of motivational messages. I had messages commenting on what things you would like. Even you can suggest whatever topics you would want, like stress, procrastination, or self-mastery, or other hindrances which come in your day-to-day life. You can post the various subjects you would like to hear from me. And I was very pleased, very happy that you all are there with my journey in this self-transformation process, and we will make it to reach many other people who require these. Thank you friends. Do like, share, comment, subscribe my channel, and please forward it on to other friends who need this. Thank you friends. Take care. Bye.